Zare, with a decade of unmatched expertise in the realm of detection equipment and testing instruments, stands as a beacon of quality and innovation. As a leading manufacturer, we are dedicated to providing our clients with high-performance solutions that not only meet, but exceed their expectations. Our journey through research, development, and sales has been marked by a steadfast commitment to excellence, ensuring that our products remain at the forefront of environmental monitoring technology. Our strategic partnerships with major companies in the United States have allowed us to offer bespoke testing instruments that cater to a diverse array of needs. Among our innovative offerings is the low-power portable air quality monitor, designed for users seeking reliable, energy-efficient air quality monitoring on the go. Zare's OEM design services are tailored to businesses looking to incorporate this cutting-edge technology into their product offerings. Our low-volume OEM customization options provide the flexibility to create products that are not only unique but also perfectly aligned with your specific requirements. To discuss how our low-power portable air quality monitor can be integrated into your product lineup, or to explore customization possibilities, please do not hesitate to reach out. Contact us through the email on my profile page, and let's collaborate on a journey toward innovation, efficiency, and excellence in environmental monitoring. Your vision, combined with our expertise,